Shalom, welcome back. Let's get cooking. We are going to be cooking some country fried beef ribs. So hope you enjoy this recipe. Like, share, and subscribe, and click that notification button. See you in the recipe. So right here I have beef ribs. This is what I'm working with today. So what you're going to do is clean your ribs, which I have, in vinegar and also water. I let them sit, and forgot I was doing a video, so I put a little mustard on there. The mustard is for you basting your ribs, and this is going to allow your seasoning to adhere to the meat. So make sure you baste your meat. So right here, as you can see, I'm just basting my meat with the mustard, and plus it gives it a delicious taste to it. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of garlic powder, and all these seasonings are optional. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Slap Your Mama. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of onion powder. And I'm also going to go in with a little bit of ground black pepper. And also, to give it a little bit of sweetness, I'm going to go in with light brown sugar. Once you've added the seasoning, make sure you pat it in as well too, to secure the seasoning. Now, after you've seasoned your ribs completely entirely, you're gonna let these sit for at least about 30 minutes. Now, also, I wanna make mention, you're going to also repeat the seasoning process on the back of your ribs. Make sure you season it from front to back. And once that's done, go ahead and let that marinate. I've let my ribs marinate, and now I'm gonna come in with flour. So you're just going to sprinkle on some flour. There's no need to season your flour because you've already seasoned your ribs. So from here, I'm just basically basting all of these ribs in the all-purpose white flour. And all I'm doing is covering them. And that's all you have to do. Once you have covered them completely with the flour, you're now going to take them to the pot to fry. That's right. Now, the oil that I use was vegetable oil, and as you can see right here, they are frying, and what you're going to do is fry them until they are brown and crispy on each side. They're not going to be fully cooked as of right now, because you have to realize that beef ribs are a lot thicker than other meats. So you got to keep watching to see what I do next. Once my ribs are golden brown, and as you can see, I'm giving you a close-up of how your ribs should look. Crispy, brown, and just, man, it smells good in here. It absolutely smells good. Oh my Lord. Do you guys see this close-up? So once they are crispy and brown, you're going to place them inside an aluminum pan or a cooking tray, and they are not completely cooked right now. Like I said, earlier on in the video, you're going to need to place them in the oven, which I'm going to show you in just a moment. All right, so now let's go ahead and place these ribs in the oven at 350 degrees, and it's going to be for 25 minutes. This allows the meat to cook within. And as you guys can see, the finished product. Enjoy, you guys. I know you guys will love this recipe. So make sure that you guys like, share, subscribe, and also comment below and give this recipe a try. With that, stay strong, stay healthy, stay in the spirit. And with that, I say shalom and see you in the next video. I'm out.